Okay, folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin today, we happen to be here at Guadalupe Shrine. It is absolutely beautiful. If you guys ever had the opportunity to come and check it out, please do. Today happens to be Guadalupe feast, they call it. So if you guys have the opportunity to come and check it out, please do. It's beautiful, nice and quiet. And it's just absolutely nice. I know it's up the hills, but you don't have to walk because they have rides all along the ways. As you can see, there's a lot of people walking down. So usually coming up is a little harder, but just like I say, you don't have to walk. Going down the hill, it's a little easier. See? This is so cool. So thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Look how pretty this is. It's just really cute and pretty. So pretty. So if you guys ever had the opportunity to come and check it out, it's not about religion or anything like that either, but it's about how pretty this is. The rosary stations are gonna be on this side, so you continue to go up high in the hill. See where the gentleman is going? You go right over that way. That's the beginning. And you continue up higher. Once again, thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin. I hope you guys find these videos enjoyable. It's just so much to do here, so much to see. So pretty. Beautiful. I love this place. And those little cars are the ones that take you down, up and down if you don't want to walk. See?